Alright, here's a look at the Dark Flash computer case. I moved my old computer parts into this new case, and it's pretty easy to work in. It comes with 3 front ARGB fans, and then it comes with 1 rear exhaust in the back. They're doing great with airflow, and they're pretty quiet too. If you hear any noise from the computer, that's the pump. It's a deep cool pump, and it's there's a bunch of bubbles stuck in it, and I could never get them out. But the fans with that came with the case, they're really quiet. The exhaust has just a little grill over it to protect any big debris going in, but it's big and slotted, and is great for airflow. And then there's a dust filter up top with a bunch of slots for your radiator. I got this case in particular because it fits my 360 radiator great. I needed a bigger one for the CPU, and now it keeps CPU temperatures while gaming at 70°C. It's a 14700KF, and then there's also a dust filter at the bottom for the power supply intake, which sucks it up from the bottom, so that's great. There's like another spot right here if you wanted to mount more stuff, like a extra fan or something, or maybe a hard drive down there. And then GPU, there is like some screw mounts for the GPU support. Lots of good slots in the back to wire your cables around and stuff. Lots of slots on the sides. There's slots like up there, a lot of them, to help you cable manage pretty well. The thumb screws are all metal, and they kind of go in at an angle when they're screwing in. The threads aren't too good. They get kind of stuck if you're not super. They just get stuck sometimes. The threads on them are not good going in. When I first got the case, I had some trouble. I thought you had to like pull it off to the side like a lot of other cases I have, but this one you just pull this thing slightly forward. There's magnets holding it in, so be careful and use 2 hands. And then it opens up, and then you just lift it straight up after that. And yeah, dust has been pretty great. I have a cat, and there's lots of pet hair and dust everywhere, and it's doing a good job of only sucking in from the back and not getting too much dust inside of the computer. The slots, you might be able to see them a little bit through the fan. There's little tiny holes in the back, and there's no dust cover or anything back here. It's just all these slots, which is doing okay. Maybe they could have been a bit bigger for holes or something, but they're doing okay for like minimizing dust. So they're doing okay, but I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of revision testing they did and stuff, if that's like the best outcome they found. But there is like there's a front panel. There's like 2 panels of glass here that meet, and there is a gap between them. I haven't noticed too much dust collection in there. You can see all my fingerprints from me opening it and stuff, but there is a gap, and it does make it look pretty cool if you look at it at some angles, but it's okay. Everything's been pretty good with it, except the thumb screws being pretty finicky, and then the screws that go into the holes behind here. Focus, but those were a real pain to get in screwed in. It was not smooth at all. I don't even know if they're threaded or what. I am not sure. It's kind of wobbly still. It's just I don't know. I think this part needed to be a bit better. I did have some issues with the front panel audio, the HD audio cable that goes down into the bottom down here. Let's see, can I zoom in? Let's see. Over here, the HD audio connector was having some issues. It was really staticky and stuff. I've unplugged it and plugged it again, checked it. Right now it's working, but I did have issues with it in the past, so I don't know if that's kind of a ongoing issue or not, but it seems okay right now. It's not really that high quality. I would recommend getting something like external DAC or something. That's what I mainly use to plug my headphones in. But case-wise, airflow is pretty good, and everything's dust-free and cooled well.